Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a bonus haul today and I hope that you will join me. This week I went to Tuesday Morning and to Walmart. I picked up two of these paper pads from Tuesday Morning and there's the number. It was $3.99 and this is a Maggie Holmes paper pad and the theme is Garden Party. And the sheets are 6 by 8 inches. Let me flip the pages for you so you can see what comes in this package. And it is very cute colors in here. Look at that. And we do have some foil going on in here, like the gold foils. They're very, very cute. And this is cute. You get name tags, some tickets, and some labels. And they are all one-sided. And I also, like it when they put the images up here. Once you tear off your paper, you have this little bit there. You can use that as a tab or as a washi, or, however, get used in the paper project. So nothing goes to waste. I like that idea. I love the colors. It does say garden. All the pretty colors you can find in your garden. And that's the last one. I like this. Very cute. And then I picked up some ephemeras. This one is by Casey Company and it is called Antique Garden. And it says includes 10 foiled pieces. You get 40 pieces in this package. And here is the number. And it was $2.99. And they have the cheat sheet covered up, but there's some really cute pieces in there. I am looking forward to working with this pack. And I picked up two of these ephemeras. This is a Halloween pack. It is a Halloween party theme, and you get 33 pieces in this. There's the number. And it was $2.99, and this is what you get in there. A very cute package. I'm quite happy I found it. I know Halloween is over, but you can never be too prepared. And I picked up these. These are frames and tags. And you get 33 pieces in here. The theme is our home for Christmas. And that's what you get in there. And these were $2.99, and there's the number. Again, I did get two of these. I also got two of this one, and again, 33 pieces. There's the number. And this is what you get in the package. And then I found this one. This is an embossing folder. It is by Crafter's Companion, and it's Nature's Garden. Beautiful collection. Bees and flowers. So this is what it looks like, the embossing folder. And this was $3.99. And there's the number. I like it. I also picked up these clear stamps, and this is Bell Countryside, Lumineers and Lanterns. And you get 7 clear stamps. There's the number. And it was $2.99. I like it. So this is the stamps you get right here. All of this right here. Very cute, right? I love it. And then you get hello, thinking of you, and happy birthday. I love the fonts. It's so old world. Well, not old world, but what do you call that? Elegant. The last 2 items I picked up are these milk paints. I found these in the clearance section. They were $3. They are 2.2 ounce each, I believe. It just says red, green milk paint. I was trying to see if like maybe there's like a particular color name, but it doesn't really say, does it? And it's it is tucked in there very snugly. So, and this one is the pale blue mix, but let me put them side by side. So these right here are the colors. I like them. I want to give these a try. From Walmart, I picked up some chalk paint. I needed some Waverly ink paint, and I had one of the small bottles like this in ink, and it completely dried out. When I decided to use it, all I found was a brick inside. So I picked up the tiny one, which is 2 fluid ounces. They also had this large one, 16 ounces, so I picked up both. I wanted to make sure I had enough. And then while I was there, I found this one. This is a new color to me. I have not seen this one before at my store anyways. And it is Pink Cloud. It says Pink Cloud, but it's not really pink. It is more like the peachy tone color. I like it. Now, I was not paying attention when I picked this up, but it's been opened before, so my paint was leaking out, and I had to clean that off. So, but the paint itself seems fine. It's just that I think somebody opened it, and when they were, messing with the lid, the what do you call this? The insert, it got pushed back, so it's quite a mess in there. But I want to try this color. It is really cute. I'm trying to see what I would use it on though. Any ideas? Obviously we don't have pink clouds, but and then the only size they had in this color was the 8 fluid ounce, so I picked that up. While I was there, I picked up some glue also. This is Tide Bond. It says quick and thick multi-surface glue, precise control, no run. It is 2 times faster, 3 times thicker. Interior projects. It dries clear, paintable, wood shop, home and office, water cleanup. And it is 8 fluid ounce and made in the USA. So I need some more glue. My favorite glue I'm running out. And Dollar General is not carrying my favorite glue anymore. So look, see how thick that is? I am hopeful that it is going to work really well. And if it does, this will be my new glue. So I picked that one up. And then I do like it that it has this little cap on there. See, you can just trim this down like I said. Make it precise. And then while I was there, I picked up some clamps. This is the 4-inch mini clamp. I do have some right now, but the ones I have are a little long, and I needed something for my mini projects, I guess you could say. When I'm trying to glue something back together. And I think these will work really well. They're both tiny, and I picked up two of these. Quite happy I found those. I hope that I was able to show you a few items today that you may want to pick up from Tuesday morning or from Walmart. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.